Chapter 5, Lesson 6, Use the Pythagorean Theorem. You will be able to solve problems using the Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean Theorem can be used to solve a variety of problems. It is helpful to use a diagram to determine what part of the right triangle is unknown. Write an equation that can be used to find the length of the ladder, then solve, round to the nearest tenth. In order to save my voice, I'm going to try and talk as minimally as possible. Here's our right angle, which means this length is our hypotenuse. Use the Pythagorean theorem. So 8.75 squared is, and write the whole thing out for now. $18 squared add those up. And take the square root. $20.0141 equals x. Round to the nearest tenth. The 0 is in the tenths place, so it's 20.0. Yes, you must write the 0 because it said to round to the tenths place. And this is feet. Write an equation that can be used to find the height of the plane, then solve, round to the nearest tenth. This is C, B, and A. Subtract 100. B squared equals 44. Square root. B equals 6.633. Again to the nearest tenth, so 6.6 miles. Mr. Parsons wants to build a new banister for the staircase shown. If the rise of the stairs of a building is 5 feet and the run is 12, what is the length of the new banister? Here's our hypotenuse. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 12 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared. 144 plus 25 equals C squared. 169 equals C squared. And then the square root of 169 is 13. And it's feet. So 13 feet. What is the height of the tent? So this is interesting here. We are actually just going to use this triangle because we need a right triangle to use Pythagorean's theorem. So this is C, it's across from our right angle, and the other two don't matter. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 3 squared plus H squared equals 5 squared. If you feel more comfortable leaving this a B, you can, it doesn't matter. 9 plus H squared equals 25 minus 9. H squared equals 16. Square root. H equals 4. and our measure is feet. Our unit is feet. You can use the Pythagorean theorem to find missing measures in three-dimensional figures. In this diagram, I will say, and you may want to draw this in, it's missing a line from here to here, okay? And this is our right angle. A 12-foot flagpole is placed in the center of a square area. To stabilize the pole, a wire will stretch from the top of the pole to each corner of the square. The flagpole is 7 feet from each corner of the square. What is the length of each wire? Round to the nearest tenth. So this is C, A, and B. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 7 squared plus 12 squared equals C squared. 49 plus 144 equals C squared. 193 equals C squared. Square root 13.8924 equals C. To the nearest tenths place to be 13.9 feet. The top part of a circus tent is in the shape of an arc. The tent has, of a cone, a little typo there. The tent has a radius of 50 feet. The distance from the top of the tent to the edge is 61 feet. How tall is the part of the tent? This would be C, A, and B. Minus 2,500. $1,221. Square root B equals 34.9428. Nearest whole number would be 35 feet. Meredith made a model of a pyramid like the one shown for history class. What is the height of the model? So our triangle is right here. Our right angle is here, which tells me this is the hypotenuse. And then A, B. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 9 squared plus B squared equals 15 squared. 81 plus B squared equals 225 minus 81 B squared equals 144. Square root B equals 12. So 12 inches. Find the missing measure. Again, here's our right triangle. Our hypotenuse is here. Doesn't matter, A and B. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 9 squared plus 12 squared equals X squared. Again, you can leave it as C. 81 plus 144 equals X squared. 225 equals X squared. Square root 15 equals X, and it's 15 feet.